Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to update your PayPal application on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. So the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it is, open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, which will bring up the search box. Type in PayPal inside the box. Within the search result, look for the PayPal Send Manage Pay application, which looks like this, and then look for the update button if available in the page. If there is an update button, simply tap on it to update the app, but if you see open instead, this means the app is already up to date. If you tap on the update button, the update will download and install automatically. Once completed, you can open the latest version of PayPal. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.